लोकोमोशन एंड माइग्रेशन इन फिशेस यानी फिशेस का चलना और उनका इधर उधर मूवमेंट करना. Locomotions of fishes provides a number of interesting information to the ichthyologist. The knowledge of the different method of locomotion is yet not fully understood because fishes in aquaria or somewhere else other than their natural inhabitation tend to behave in a manner somewhat different from the normal. But now, with the help of cinematography, Breeder in 1966 has given a detailed, authenticated, quite interesting account. Beside more illustrated and elaborate work was published by Gray in the recent years to understand the muscular action and hydrodynamics of fish locomotion. Fishes, beside muscular actions, are however also adapted to other modes of locomotion as well. In addition to swimming, walking, or creeping on the aquatic floor, skipping about on sand, on mud, or mud, burrowing and wriggling on dry land. Leaping and flying is also practiced by some fishes for progression, but these methods are of a specialized nature and point towards secondary adaptations evolved in response to a change in habits or environment and are often indicated by some kinds of modification in certain organs to achieve particular goal. There are three primary methods employed by fishes to produce forward movement in aquatic environment. Body movement due to alternate expansion and contraction of the myomeres means myosyms. Movement second, movement of appendages fins. And the third one is movements caused by the action of jets of water expelled from the gill openings during the process of respiration. Beside these three primary modes of locomotion, following may be regarded as special methods of locomotion like jumping, walking, crawling, skipping, climbing, and tetrapods like walking, burrowing, and flying also.